Ever pondered about your fitness habits and goals? Do you ever wonder how to maintain a level of fitness that keeps you feeling energetic, robust, and lively? Well, grab a cup of your favorite beverage and settle in, because today we're going to break down the fitness maintenance process into easy-to-follow steps. Firstly, let's talk about regular exercise. Health experts recommend a minimum of 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise every week. Mix it up with cardiovascular exercises like walking, running, cycling, swimming, and strength training such as weights, resistance bands, or body weight exercises. Don't forget to include flexibility and mobility exercises to improve your range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. Nutrition plays a substantial role in maintaining fitness. Aim for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Remember to stay hydrated and limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive alcohol. Keeping an eye on portion sizes can also help in maintaining a healthy weight. Rest and recovery are as crucial as your exercise routine. Ensure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to allow your body to rest and repair. Incorporate rest days into your exercise routine to avoid overtraining and injuries. Practicing stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing can promote relaxation and recovery. Consistency is key to maintaining fitness. Make exercise a part of your daily routine by scheduling workouts and sticking to them. Set achievable goals and track your progress to stay motivated. Find activities that you enjoy to make fitness a part of your lifestyle. Listening to your body is crucial. Pay attention to how you feel during and after exercise and adjust your routine as necessary. Be aware of signs of overtraining like persistent fatigue, muscle soreness, or decreased performance, and allow yourself adequate rest. Staying active throughout the day helps too. Incorporate movement into your daily life by taking the stairs, walking or biking for short distances, or doing household chores and gardening. If you have a sedentary job, consider using standing desks or taking regular breaks to stretch and move. Lastly, regular health checkups are essential in keeping track of your overall health and fitness level. Discuss any concerns or changes in your fitness routine with your healthcare provider. In summary, maintaining fitness involves regular exercise, balanced nutrition, adequate rest, and consistent, healthy lifestyle habits. Remember to listen to your body, stay active throughout the day, and get regular health checkups. By following these guidelines and making fitness a priority in your daily life, you can maintain a general level of fitness and enjoy the many benefits of improved health and well-being. So it's time to lace up those trainers and embark on your fitness journey.